In today's video, we're adding a new enemy type, the Lancer. This enemy works just like the warrior. He chases the player and deals contact damage. But he has different stats, specifically lower health and slightly faster movement. This helps us diversify enemies without rewriting behaviors, keeping everything scalable. Let's start by adding the sprite sheet. First, I'll drag the Lancer sprite sheet into our sprites folder. With the sprite selected, I'll go to the inspector and set sprite mode, multiple, filter mode, point no filter, compression format, RGBA 32-bit. Then I'll click Sprite Editor, slice the sheet using the automatic slicer and hit apply. Now we have all the frames we need for the running animation. Next, I'll create the Lancer's running animation. I'll select all the running frames, drag them into the scene, and Unity will ask to create a new animation. I'll name it Lancer_run and save it in our animations folder. The animation is now ready, so let's build the enemy object. Now I'll rename the object to Lancer and assign a tag of enemy. Then, just like with our warrior enemy, I'll add a sprite renderer, a rigid body 2D set to dynamic, a circle collider 2D for collision detection, the enemy-based script for movement and chasing behavior, and finally, the enemy health script. This gives the Lancer all the basic logic our enemies share. Now let's give the Lancer unique stats. Inside the enemy health component, I'll reduce his max health. For example, from 50 down to 25. So he dies faster than the warrior. Everything else stays the same. He chases the player, gets knocked back on hit, flashes when damaged, and drops XP orbs with the same drop system. Let's hit play and test the Lancer. As you can see, he spawns correctly, plays his running animation, and chases the player using the same enemy movement logic. He has less health than the warrior, so he dies quicker, the hit flash works, and the XP orbs behave exactly as expected. Our new enemy is now fully integrated into the game, and the system remains clean, scalable, and easy to expand with